since 1949. It's the famous Hawksworth Bridge up in the distance. What my finger just bled out, that's the Hawksworth Bridge. And this is the Makal River. And that's the wooden bridge right there. And right here, that section that my finger just blotted out, that used to be the famous boat wharf. You can see those posts and stilts down there in the ground sticking up. That's it. And this whole area here used to be a festive place. Used to be filled and plagued with laughter. Just kids, teenagers swimming, enjoying the river in the summertime. And this section here used to be Sandy Bay. Used to not so much be so much of sand, but we used to have a lot of rocks. Used to go down there and section that where kids can't swim, they used to be able to play on that side. Because you would be able to walk in maybe about 12 feet from the shoreline, the water edge, 12 feet out, and you could, be safe. Moms used to come down there and do their laundry. That changed slowly. But it's awesome to see the transformation of the park or the riverbank. I would say 25, 30 years. And each year would be something different, because whenever you'd have the wet season, the flood season come through, it would carve and change the riverbank. And this area here have stayed the same pretty much. And this section here used to be a section there where you'd have maybe 10, maybe minus 12 feet from the water edge, the shoreline, the grass edge, for kids to be able to swim. But for the most, from Boat Wharf, from Boat Wharf down to the bridge, just beyond the bridge to where you can see those cars off in the distance, it would be safe for kids under the age of 10 or 12 to just, swim, splash around, because it would be no more than 4 feet. And I do believe it's still about that. It might vary, might have certain areas that might exceed the 4 feet.
right there used to be market here.
Yeah.
Boat structure. Boat structure. They preserve the library used to be the old town court, underneath town hall. Underneath there used to be library, remember? Yeah.
Who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks? I learned something new today. I didn't even know that.